Hi, my name is Appelusa, and this is going to be a really quick warm-up and stretch so that you're ready for any tutorial I have to offer. If you already have your skates on, even better. This is just something that's going to be super quick. That way you can move on to the next tutorial you want to watch. You can do this off skates. I'm just going to do it on skates for today, and let's get started. Let's start off by warming up a little bit. We're just going to lift the knee and engage the low belly and kind of take the elbows side to side. So working the obliques and low belly. Weight stays in the center of the foot so you're not rolling around, and you'll feel that belly engaged pretty much right away. You need your belly to work, and your core, we should call it, pretty much for anything in roller skating, is balance. You need your core activated. Let's just do a couple more on each side. And let's move on to the next one. So we're going to lift the free leg up into the air. If you need something to hold on to, you can grab a countertop or a chair. And we're pointing through the wheels, keeping that leg taut. I'm lifting up my kneecap, and I'm just lifting up that leg using this muscle here for the count of 10. We've got 5 more. 3, 2, 1. And let's do 10 to the back. Just using this muscle here, lifting up my core, keeping my standing knee bent. And let's go for the other foot to the front. Breathing nice and deeply. And to the side. And to the back. Bending the standing knee, lifting the core. Again, if you need something to hold on to, definitely do it. Now, if you want to do more reps and really start building up those muscles, definitely take the time to do more reps. I'm just going to go ahead and move on. Last thing we're going to do for strength, just to warm up the body a little bit, is a plank. We're holding for 30 seconds. Go ahead and isometrically pull your hands towards your feet and your feet towards your hands. By feet, I mean your toe stops. If you don't have toe stops on, you might want to do this in your shoes. We're going to hold for another 20 seconds. You should feel your low belly engage. Now, if you're really pulling, you might start shaking already, like I am. Let's go for another 10 seconds. The core is so important for skating, especially when you're doing things like spirals. Good, and let's go ahead and push up. So let's do a little quick stretch. I'm going to put my feet wider than hips distance apart. I'm going to go ahead and take a stretch to the side, trying to lengthen that whole side body. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And to the other side. And then we're going to just kind of roll down, stopping at any spots that might feel tight in your low back. Reaching to the side and the ground. Stopping right in the center for a forward fold. Letting the neck go, keeping the back of the legs nice and straight, and then I'm going to walk my hands towards the other foot, and again slowly stretch up, just stopping anywhere that feels a little tight, and back up. Let's give the neck a little bit of a stretch, rolling around in a U shape. Again, stopping anywhere that feels tight, and breathing in through the nose, and out through the mouth. And let's give a little shoulder shrug to the forwards 5 times and to the back 5 times. And let's get the arms going, squeezing the shoulder blades behind you, just loosening up the shoulder joints. All right, nice job. Okay. We're going to do some stretch with let's do the front of the thigh first. If you want to hold on to something, again, go for it. I'm going to grab my skate with both hands on either wheel of my heel and pushing my hips forward, just stretching the front of my thigh there. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, the stretch isn't for everyone. If you do have knee problems, you might want to modify this or just not do this one at all. Do just what feels good for you. I'm going to go ahead and switch it up. And not fall over it. Great job. All right, let's do the psoas. So I'm just gonna put my toe stop down and roll forward. Now this also is a little bit of a strength move. So you're kind of pulling your hips towards each other isometrically, and we're keeping the low belly in. I'm gonna keep my hands on my front knee. My back leg is straight, but you can bend that back knee as well. If you need a little bit more stability, you can do that, or if you're not as flexible, you can definitely do that. Again, I'm pulling, kind of pulling my feet towards each other and pulling my hips towards each other. It's just an isometric action that really kind of engages all those muscles that you need for a lot of the skating skills that we do. And also stretching, so make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. I'm kind of tucking my tailbone down a little bit and lifting my low belly. And I'm going to switch it up. So you really feel the hips in this one. This is a really good one to do before you do things like spirals or eagles. And just go as far as feels good for you. I'm pretty flexible, so I'm going pretty far. All right. I'm going to cross my foot over and do a figure 4 and just find a stretch there with the glutes. Feels good after a little bit of that leg work that we did. Just warming up. And feel free to hold this even longer. I'm going to go ahead and switch it up. Now make sure your knee is always, your ankle's always above your knee. If you need more, you can gently press down on the inside of your thigh there. Feels pretty good. All right, did I miss anything? Let's just do one more forward fold. Feet together this time. Really stretch the back of the legs nice and straight. Let the neck go. If you need a little more hip stretch, you can bend one knee, straighten the other knee. You'll get right in more into the IT band. And then we're going to slowly roll up. All right, so that was just a really quick warm up and stretch. That way you can follow that up with another tutorial. If you need a little bit more of a warm up and flexibility, this one was definitely for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss anything fun here on this channel, and I'll see you next time.